Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Shadow's Artistempire. I'm Chavi here. Before beginning to my video, subscribe to my channel. So tomorrow is JIN's birthday. So today I've decided to make a JIN bookmark. And hopefully tomorrow I'll make a JIN his portrait also. So this is the rough outlining of what I am making. For this I've used brushstroke artist watercolors. And for the size I've chosen 20 centimeter into 60 centimeter. First I applied tape on all the four sides. Colors are fabric acrylic colors. This first color is pastel pink, which I have made using crimson and white color. Second one is light violet plus white, which made pastel purple. And for the last one, this is the only color which was out of this box. It's cobalt blue plus white. So yeah, this was the first side. For the second side, I have a second cut out. This is my palette. And this is my first side. This is the color which I used, and yeah, this is the second side of the bookmark, and I'll be pasting both of them together. Again the same color palette. Peeling of the tape is the best thing. And yeah, this is the color palette. These are both of the sides. This is the outline, and these are the sketch pens which I'm using. And I've made these rough drawings on butter paper. So first, to write his name, I wrote like something in bold letters like this. Kim on the first side and SEOK JIN on the second side. So this is my favorite part. So I recorded this thing, but it was not recording at all. I thought it was recording, but it was not recording. So basically I'll tell you how I made this line art thing, and this code is obviously how I wrote it with a sketch pen. And now I'm making a BTS logo. And I wrote worldwide on the first side and hands up on the second side. Now I'll be making a army logo. So yeah, for that line art thing, I first made something on this butter paper, and then I shaded at the back side of the butter paper using a pencil and outlined it. You can see how I did it. And this is the last quote, which is, "You are the one who needs to acknowledge your efforts." So this is not the final outcome. These are the both sides. I have to write something here. I don't know. I'll write when I'll get it hot of it. Something like that. So for the frill latkan, I used purple, pink and blue. And I didn't use a dabba because it takes a lot of time. So I used my hands only. I tied a knot like this. So yeah, this is the final outcome. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, don't that great thumbs up button blue. If you didn't like this video, you can give it a thumbs down, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.